So if you want to customize your office in GatherTown and make it look actually cool, yeah, you've got a lot more control than you might think. Let me show you how to design it step by step. First, enter your Gather space and open the map editor. This is where all the customization happens. Start by adjusting your layout. Add rooms, walls, or open spaces depending on how you want your office to feel. Now add furniture like desks, chairs, plants, or decorations. Just drag and drop items from the object library. You can also create private areas for meetings. This lets people inside the space talk clearly without outside noise. To make your office more useful, add interactive objects like whiteboards, videos, or links. Users can press X to open them. You can also change colors, flooring, and themes to match your brand or vibe. So yeah, make it unique. Once you're done, save your changes and walk around the space to test everything. And yeah, you can always come back and update your office whenever you want. It's super flexible. So yeah, that's how you customize your GatherTown office. Once you start experimenting, you can create some really amazing spaces. If this helped, check out more guides like this.